Hello students, how are you all? Myself Ankita West, and today we are going to start our new chapter of GK and class is 4th. So student, let's start reading our chapter number 28. Name of the chapter is Scientific Instruments. So let's start reading. Scientific Instruments. A scientific instrument is an instrument used for scientific purpose. Mostly of them are measurement instruments. They may be specially designed, constructed, and refined for the purpose. Here we are giving some scientific instruments, name and their uses. Let's read and learn about them. So, student, what are scientific instruments? These are the instrument, or you can say tools, that are used for many scientific purposes. They can be specially designed, construct, or refined for the different purposes. So some of the scientific instruments are given in your book. Let's start reading about them. First instrument is altimeter. To measure the height above sea level instrument. So student, altimeter is used to measure the height of different instrument above sea level. Next instrument is optometer. Optometer is used to measure the eyesight. Okay, students, let's move to our next instrument, which is lactometer. To measure the purity of milk. Lactometer is used to measure the purity of milk. Let's move to our next instrument, which is photometer. To measure the intensity of light, photometer is used. Next is thermometer. To measure the temperature, we use thermometer. These are different kinds of thermometer we use. So, student, let's move to our next instrument, which is speedometer. It is used to measure the speed of a car. So, students, let's see our next instrument, which is chronometer. It is used to measure the time. Chronometer basically a watch. So student, let's move to our next instrument, which is calorimeter. To measure the quantity of heat. To measure the quantity of heat, we use calorimeter. Next instrument is anemometer. To measure the speed of wind, we use anemometer. Student, let's move to our next instrument, which is hydrometer. To measure the humidity of air, we use hydrometer. Next instrument is pyrometer. To measure the high temperature, we use pyrometer. Next is barometer. To measure the atmospheric pressure, we use barometer. Next is galvanometer. To measure very small electric current, we use galvanometer. So students, now we have completed our chapter. These are some of the scientific instruments that are used in different purposes. So students, now I hope you understand this chapter. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.